What's up, everybody? It's your boy Butch from Imperial TV. Today is another day in paradise where I drop my keys between my seat. Alright, so Lamborghini Festival is coming up, and what we need to do is prepare. I think we have about, what, 2 weeks, 3 weeks until we get everything like squared up. Probably 2 weeks, almost 3 weeks. So we barely have enough time. This car is going to be shown at Lamborghini Festival, but it's going to be also shown at the Louis Vuitton store, the new Louis Vuitton store in the Woodlands. What we're trying to do here is basically wrap it and then add the Louis Vuitton back on there. So that it'll be a nice showpiece for Imperial and Imperial Auto Styling and Imperial Automobile. What type of wrap we're doing? We're doing white, satin white with almost close to leather looking letters for the Louis Vuitton. So it'd be like white on beige, kind of more like almost what leather? Do we have any leather here to show? But it would be really cool. I can't wait to show you guys. It's gonna be really badass. But it has to be done in less than a week. Why? Because I have to do some photo shoots. I have to do a couple of videos for Lamborghini Festival. So that's why like we barely have enough time. We're wrapping also Carlos's car. Have you and Carlos talked about the color?
Yeah.
What color are we doing?
Purple explosion, one of a kind.
Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Are we doing any accents to it or no?
Yeah, we are leaving this one.
Black?
Black, maybe gloss black or matte, like that.
I think we'll leave it matte.
Yeah, and I told him here, matte too, this little part.
Okay, so we'll do this one little part matte?
Yes.
Okay, we can do that.
Everything else, purple explosion.
Gotcha, gotcha. The roof, we're gonna, what, do matte?
No, purple too.
You're gonna do purple too?
Mm-hmm.
Cool, 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 cool. I think we should do right here, leave this maybe satin black, and then do a line of purple. What do you think?
Maybe, yeah.
So it will be like similar to the Performante yours. We'll give it a nice look. And if you want to do some black maybe on the hood accent, what do you think? Like satin black, we can do something right here, like it'll be like going down and going like this, or something like that. What do you think?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
That color is going to look amazing.
So much to do. We'll put the wrap. If he doesn't like it, peel it off and do satin. So that'll be cool. Other than that, we're working on the backdrop. That's gonna be at Louis Vuitton store for Lamborghini Festival, where people can actually take pictures and stuff. We're working on bringing angel girls covered up with nice full bodysuit or bodysuit with feathers, wings. They're gonna be all like in black, nice makeup. So that would be like Imperial's angels. You're in good hands, of course. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Kind of like a little wired up, a little bit lack of sleep. Congratulations to me and Jackie. We just had our baby girl. She's healthy, happy. I'm blessed, thank God. We're blessed actually. She's not giving us that much sleep, so I'm like literally on thin ice as far as like, whew, I need some sleep. Hopefully this weekend I can get some sleep.